Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am in Animal Jam, and it's now officially winter. There's a new update that I'll be reviewing today. That's why I'm in an empty server. I don't know why, it's tradition. I like going in empty servers when there's an update. Anyways, let's go up here. It's the big statue. It's a beautiful statue. Why don't I just go to my house? What is this? Oh, it's fall. It's supposed to be winter. You know what? I'm just gonna stay over here. It's winter here. Okay, guys, let's review today's news. I've went over all this, so it's really good. So here's the spike stuff. Read that if you want. Give it a little time to pause. And then there's a new referral friend reward. I'm going to show you it right now. It is actually so amazing. Look at this. I have my link. I'll have the link in the description for referring. Look at this though. This is new. This is new. It's just so good. It's amazing update. Also, that's new. It's a whole wolf thing. I'll show you that I have my den. That sounded weird. We're gonna go to the volcano. Look at this. The new bunch of wolves, so it's just wolf. Also, dire wolves, arctic wolves, and wolves are on sale. So is the pets. They're all on sale. It's amazing. Wow. Fantastic update, I must say. Look at this. It's cute. Alright, next update. Diamond sale for the, Black Friday sale. Oops. And the Jamalis will be coming. New deer, I'm pretty excited about. Look how cool they are. Oh my god, I really need that. It's so cute and cool. This too. And the rare subscription box. Oh my gosh. And look at this. This is so amazing. Well, also, I'm gonna show you. Well, actually, if you've been on Animal Jam, for like, I don't know, you might have seen that I was actually in Epic Dens. I was told I was in Epic Dens. I'll show you right now. Look at this. People said, "Oh my god, your den is so good." Thank you. You look amazing. And this person said, "They love my orange autumn leaves." Thank you so much. Thank you. Shout out to Lainey, Earl 29, and Baroness 21. Yay. But anyways, I will show you the super special secret item that is today. Also, shout out to everyone here in this Epic Dens list. I can't believe I missed my number. Okay, whatever. Alright, here we are in the super special place. So what you want to go do? So I'm gonna check over here. You just want to go up stairs. You just got to keep going up. Get it? Keep going upstairs, and you'll see this really cool fall item. Winter item, fall item. I don't know what kind of item it is. Okay, anyways, there's this pumpkin bowl. You can click the nice pumpkin bowl. And here is the thing. But if you're not a member, just comment below with your username, and I'll just send it to you, and you can do whatever you want with it. You can trade it for rares, I guess. Trade it to other non-members for better stuff, I guess. I don't know. Whatever you want. just comment your username down below. I'm gonna buy a bunch right now, so comment below. Quite a few, just a few, because I am running out of $5. Yep. Ow. But I'm gonna go show you. Actually, I don't know what I'm gonna show you now. Or go back to my autumn house because that's just my favorite then. Nice. Let's see what's new here. There's the new adventure. So it's about Paradise Party. I already completed this place. Or this adventure. But I don't know what it is. Birds! Yeah. It's just great. Oh look, there's a bird right there. Wow, it is beautiful. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed today's update video. Remember, if you want a bowl of pumpkin, punch pumpkin, comment your username down below. I'll send you it. If you're not a member, then make sure you're online today. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed. Peace out. Goodbye.